Hello my friends. Do you want to have some nice VHS style transitions like these in your videos? It's easy. Get the VHS Transition Pack from AEJuice and here is how to use it. I assume you already downloaded AEJuice Pack Manager and installed it. And I assume you already purchased VHS Transitions. Go to Window and click AEJuice Pack Manager. Find the VHS Transitions. You can see and preview some of these nice transition effects. Make a composition with any content you like. Then drag and drop the transition to your timeline like this. Yes, it is this simple. Check out the link in the description of this video. Okay, see you soon on my next videos.